I am very grateful to Kazakhstan for publishing my book on the three Atkinsons in Kazakh, particularly on the 30th anniversary of your independence, on which I congratulate you. This comes together with the 80th birthday of your first president, Nursultan Nazarbayev, who initiated the program Ruhani Jangırу, to which I owe this translation of my book with my very grateful thanks. I thank you, Kazakhstan, and I wish you a very successful future. I wish you, Mr. First President Nursultan Nazarbayev, a very happy 80th birthday and indeed many more. I send my grateful thanks and those of my daughter Julia too, who was invited to Kazakhstan with me last year. We thank you all and send our very best wishes from London.